What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have the Brome Tube Solution 150. This is their new lineup of bird feeders, and I want to say that this, like all the Brome feeders that I have in this house are well constructed. They are probably the best constructed feeders that I have reviewed so far. And this lineup of feeders is called Tube Solution. This one is the 150. They do have 100 and they do have the 200. Now the 100 only has 2 foot stands where the birds can stand on and feed. This one is the 150. Obviously we have 4, and then the other one is the 200, and I believe it has 6. If not, of course, I will post a picture like always. To get the top off, just twist left and it comes off. If you need to know, it spins, so you don't have to worry about it just being stationary. The back side of here, and of course it has information, the website and stuff you need to know. And we have a big yellow jacket. Okay, I don't know why all these bees are out here getting on my nerves. So to get this off, this is very important, y'all need to know. You have to squeeze the sides right here and try to pull it off, and then it comes off. The plate comes with the feeder. This is the basin. The basin has these 2 little lips right here. You see it? One here, one here. To get it on, you see this arrow? That arrow and the lip are together. Arrow, lip. You see the arrow? And it has a little gap right here. You squeeze the sides. Right here it says squeeze. You squeeze the sides. You move it down. So if you want to feed your birds without the tray, there you go. Now to take it off, you have to squeeze like I demonstrated. Squeeze and pull. Now that's well constructed. If it's hard for me to get it on and off, that's good. You put your bird tray, the feeder tray right here on top, if you want to use a tray. In this demonstration, we are going to use the tray. Now it's on. Out of all the Bromes I have, all of them are squirrel proof. This one, on the other hand, is not squirrel proof. So if you have regular seeds, the squirrels are going to eat from this. So for us to defend against the squirrels, so we can actually get some good photos of birds eating on this bird feeder, we went to Walmart and got this brand called Audubon Park. I guess that is the manufacturers. Audubon Park Sunflower Spicy Blend. Let's go ahead and get into feeding. Like I said, Walmart, 10 bucks. You can get these hot seeds, and hopefully the squirrels don't like it. If they do, I will put out a review for y'all if y'all attempting to buy these seeds and the squirrel eat it.